Hello, welcome. Today I'm walking you through the Document Intelligence and Traceability platform, a tool built to help organizations that work with large volumes of complex contracts and compliance documents. A quick heads up before we start, this was originally built for clients in the reinsurance space, so some of what you'll see reflects that specifically, but the core capabilities essentially apply to any industry where teams are spending too much time manually reviewing dense documents. So this platform is designed to solve exactly that, bringing speed, consistency, confidence to a process that has traditionally been slow and difficult to scale. All right, so let's get into it. So the reports dashboard is your main view. Every uploaded document lives here, and you can see right away where each one stands in the review process, which is essentially the status over here. If you go over the filters, you will see all the statuses available. So with just one click, you can filter as needed. Some other basic information includes the document name, the user who uploaded or that particular document, the upload date, and essentially that's what you find here. You can filter again by user, upload date, and of course, you can upload a new report by clicking the blue button over here. Now, let's jump into one specific report. We're gonna use this one as a reference. So we just click it. It's gonna take some time here. So the first thing that you'll notice is this split screen layout. Extracted data on the left, original source data on the right. This PDF is fully live, which essentially means you can scroll over here, you can zoom in, you can zoom out. It navigates freely and it behaves as you would expect it. On the left side, and we're gonna start again with the key values, but you also have the summary, subscribers, and these sections can be tailored towards your specific needs. Same with the terms, we're just using a specific range here, but that depends specifically on your needs. Now, because of the particularities of this specific contract, I'm just gonna use the premiums section over here. But basically what this is doing is just pulling key information, key values from the PDF and displaying them on the left. So, all right. So I want to show you the click to source traceability. So when you click on any extracted value on the left, you will see what happens on the right. We're going to be using, deposit premium here as an example. So once I click this value, the platform draws a direct line to exactly where that information came from in the original document and highlights everything with the bounding box. So if you also scroll here, you will see how that line essentially adjusts, and you can see the value again, deposit premium. So you can see here deposit premium, you can see the amount that matches exactly to what the AI extracted. But this feature is not only limited to extracting the data, because if you click here on this particular pencil, you can not only verify, but again, you are able to edit any extracted value directly from this panel. So the workflow essentially stays efficient, and users are always in control of what goes downstream. So if the amount was not 21 here, but it was rather 25, you would just edit and accept the changes over here. So that is a great feature to have available. These bounding boxes can be turned off. There might be some specific scenarios in which users might not want to have that displayed. So the tool, of course, offers that flexibility, having a clean, readable version. Okay, we can now go to the summaries piece. So in addition to the extracted values, the platform generates written summaries of all major contract sections. So again, users who need to get up to speed quickly onto something will have a clean, readable version without losing access to data. Once again, the data lineage works here. You can scroll and it will always reference the right portion. You can also see it has the direct references, so you can also find that piece. Next up, we also have the subscribers tab, which I'm not going to be covering in this particular demo, as this is very specific to this particular case. So I'm going to just jump into the collaboration piece. So basically, the platform has some collaboration built in. Users can essentially leave comments, for example. So and thumbs up, thumbs down. So as you can see here, you can click a topic, you can say key value pairs, you can leave your comment, you can leave a thumbs up or a thumbs down on extractions, on anything, the summaries, etc. And finally, you can also export data. You can export the key values or you can export the summaries. You can see the formats over here. This makes things very easy. And that's essentially what I wanted to cover. So instead of manually reading through contracts, to pull data, users are reviewing, validating, and making decisions. This allows teams to handle more documents, cover more ground, and do all with a clean, auditable digital trail behind them. So hope that gives you a good sense of what this platform can do. Thank you for watching.